Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Rona.
Can I know where you're from?
I'm from Philippines.
Oh, Philippines. I
Where
love
are you
Philippines. No, I'm from Colombia.
Oh my God, I love Colombia.
Can I check inside the bag?
Of course,
Is the bag great? But what is the cheap?
Don't say the brand because we don't have.
Yeah.
You know.
What's more?
What's more? I have
Oh, you're gonna see it. Where's the concert?
I have concert in Pertwee at
it's so much fun.
in 2 hours. So, but I'm waiting for my private bus. Private bus.
Are you kidding me, madam?
So, do you want more?
What's more in
Yes,
your bag?
of course. So, one is a red wine from Peblanc instant, and
Oh, that's so
but
sweet.
we shouldn't show to others because. What do you want more?
Yeah,
because I'm gonna have a sleepover, so I have a toothbrush, sunscreen, and you know.
And then what else?
And then I cannot show anything, so
Okay.
and dress, and it's really messy.
Oh.
Yeah.
But I observe your breast is like a red.
Red
color
because
with like strong
actually this is my real color. When you touch me, it's gonna be red. So that's all.
Okay, enjoy your party, madam.
Thank you.
Have a
Bye.
nice day. Bye.
Hi everyone! Punta kami sa Pertwee. Good afternoon and happy weekend to all. Ayan, audit ko yan. Tapos ito yung sikatulong namin. Nagabit-bit na.
Boy!
Dito kami.
Boy nyo, boy!
Dito kami nakapila sa baso ng bed. Boy the boy! Ayan, may gwapo sa likod ko. Ah, diba? Bet nyo yan. Bet ko rin.
Dapat pogi.
Kaya ano nyo na lang.
Oh, ano nang balita sa'yo?
Ito, kanina. O kayang bigayan ngayon.
Bumababa na si curtain natin.
Naligaw eh.
Ikaw naman, anong problema mo dyan? Kaya pa ba?
Yung sahod po, ma'am. Parang, puro ka na lang patrabaho, ma'am.
Wala ka pa. Hindi mo pa natatapos yung
Sangin na, yung madam mo, puro landi. Ato pag landi.
Kumanta ka na. Uy, mag-ano na kayo sa...
Go!
Sige na, buksan na yung speaker.
Buti naman may kausap na si Philip. Oh.
It's also his house, but
Take care of my...
but only for Airbnb.
Ah, okay. Then over there.
Ayun, hindi na nila ako pinapansin. Hayaan mo na sila. Ay, sorry. Okay lang po. Ayan naman si baby. Ayan si birthday girl.
Hello!
Pero mas mukha nyo pang birthday.
Mag-ayos nga ako, hindi pa ako nag-ayos.
Ayusan. Bakit hindi mo kasi... May pangkulot ka, Bi?
Wala
Ayan,
akong
di mo
pangkulot.
dinala.
Hindi, plancha. Marunong ka magkulot ng plancha.
Ito nga, plancha, Bi. Kinulot niya. Ito yung...
Akin na, pagandahin kita. Wag kang mag-alala.
Ito yung hairstylist ko.
Akin na, tapos palitan mo yung damit mo.
Parang ako rin yaya.
On a pris l'autre devant mon regard. Sous le poids des trames que possédaient tous ces barbares. Les grands sonnéages éclairaient dans le jardin d'Éden. Il coulait du sang sur l'arbre verte de la plaine. Comme ce jour de paix, où l'homme se traîne. À la limite du règne du mal et de la haine. Poésie continueuse du combat déjà perdu. Et telle était la fierté de toute la tribu. La lutte a continué comme ça jusqu'au soleil couchant. Le ferret, c'était extrêmement plus acharnement. Qu'en est-il de notre affaire de nos jours de celui-là? Pour que laisser le roi de la tribu de Dara. Oh la Marie,
seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day. Till I met you, I never knew I was till I met you.
Talikod lang. Naka-play na to ha.
O, naka-play na.
Kanan muna. Oh, bobo. Bakit? Bakit?
Sige lang, sige lang.
Saan tayo?
Sige, bonjour, mes amis, kumusta ka?